The Contact Form 7 plugin is a popular plugin that allows users to create contact forms for their sites. Once the form is created, we will be inserting it into relevant pages on our site, such as the contact page. Hi guys, this is Shaswan Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to add a contact form created using the Contact Form 7 plugin to a WordPress page using Classic Editor. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have landed on your WordPress dashboard, find the Contact Form 7 plugin in your left-hand sidebar. So over here, you will find Contact Form 7 plugin and just click on Contact Forms from here. I have already created a contact form using this plugin. And if you don't know how to do that, go ahead and check out the video from right here. And I will also list a video on how you can add additional fields to your form in the description down below. So go ahead and check those videos out. Awesome. So once you have landed here, all you have to do is copy the short code of your contact form which you want to add to your contact page. So just copy the short code, Control C or Command C, whatever. Then go to the page that you have created to put your contact form in. It could be a post, it could be a page, it's up to you. I'm going to put in a page. So we'll go to pages from here. Let's see. Awesome. So I'm just going to add a new page. All right, so once you are on your classic editor page, all you have to do is give it a title. I'm going to call it Contact Me Test Page. And then just paste the shortcode that you have copied. So click on Command V, Control V, and then if you want, you can go ahead and give it a preview, and this is how it's going to look like. And once you're happy with how it looks like, you can just go ahead and publish it. Now, I would want to put this contact me page on my menu as well, so I can do it at some other time. But this is how you can go ahead and you can put your contact form 7 contact form on any of the pages on your WordPress dashboard using a classic editor. Hope you guys enjoyed that video and were successfully able to add the contact form on your contact page as well. I will be coming up with a lot of WordPress and digital marketing related videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, any queries, or any other suggestions for the kind of videos that you would want to watch on our channel, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.